Hi, my name is Dr. Dhillon. I'm a dentist at Beacon Smiles Dental and Dental Now Panorama. In this video, I want to talk about what to do if you break or lose a tooth. Whether it's a broken piece of the tooth or the whole tooth comes out, the steps for the patients or their parents is the same. Number one, find the broken pieces or the whole tooth. I've had many parents who didn't know that we can glue back on the broken pieces, and it's always most ideal to do so. Number two, carefully grab the pieces to not touch the root of the tooth. Now this applies more for if the whole tooth comes out, so very carefully hold the tooth from just the crown of the tooth or the enamel of the tooth and without touching the root. Number three, and this is very important, is storing the tooth in a proper median. The most ideal solution is a salt solution available on Amazon called Save-A-Tooth. I highly recommend every parent, every sports team, every school having this kit readily available to them. I keep one in my car. In the event that there's a broken piece of a tooth or the whole tooth itself, you can keep it in the solution, and it's the most ideal way to transport the broken piece. Now, in the event that this salt solution isn't readily available to you, then human saliva is the next best solution. Place the broken pieces of the tooth in a sandwich bag or plastic bag, and spit into it and keep it hydrated with your saliva. Number four is contact our office and come and see us as soon as possible. The sooner we can repair the tooth or restore the tooth, the greater the success rate.